Do you want to pull an airplane?
It's really not that hard.
Well, 19 of your bestest friends.
It's to help you win.
It's like you are a star.
We used to be
With potatoes.
And now we're
not.
Because we are center stage.
Do you want to pull an airplane? Oh, really great big airplane.
Sign me up, Dallas.
Okay, well,
Do you want to pull an airplane? Yes, it can be lots of fun.
I think it's time to give a little back. And if you want to help, this could be the one.
It gets a little friendly at this competition, seeing the great costumes.
Do you want to pull an airplane? Oh, really great big airplane.
Sign me up, Dallas.
Okay, well, your bestest friend. With 19 of your bestest friends. With 19 of your bestest friends. With 19 of your bestest friends.
Win.
Wait a minute.
Do you want
Do you want to pull an airplane?
with 19 of your bestest
To
friends?
help you win.
To help you win. With 19 of your bestest
I can't do. Which one are we recording?
We're just to be potatoes.
There you go. One more time.
You're enjoying it over there, I see. Yeah.
We're sweet potatoes.
And
And
now
now we're not.
do you want to pull an airplane?
I forgot the line.
Pull an airplane, yes, it can be a lot of fun.
I'm just gonna sit right here.
Do you want to pull the plane? It's
Come on, dog. Come on.
He was like, yeah, baby.
Do you want to pull the plane? It's not gosh. Do you want to pull an airplane? It's really not that hard. With 19 of your best friends to help with to win. It's like you are a star. We used to.
Slow it down, don't do it too fast. Like, actually just read it.
Pacing him, Dallas.
Do you want to pull an airplane? It's really not that hard. With 19 of your best friends to help win. It's like you are a star. We used to be suspectors. And now we're not because we are center stage. Do you want to pull the plane? A really great big airplane.
It's really not that hard.